Hello everybody, it's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and it's our last day of the collaboration, and hasn't it been absolutely amazing? I'm going to be popping up and checking that I haven't gone off screen, so bear with me. I'm just going to check once more before. Yes, we're fine. Right, we have had the most amazing collaboration, wonderful collaborators and wonderful makes. Thank you, Rachel, for yet again making a fabulous kit, which is the last day, I believe, for the 40% off. So you can still dash over today and get the wonderful kit that looks like this. And yes, so we've been going since the 1st of November, and now we're finishing today on the 30th of November. So thank you all for watching, if you've stayed with us, and thank you, all of you, to all the wonderful comments that I had on my channel. I really appreciate it. So there we go. So this is the last two videos today. Rachel's doing her video and I'm doing my video. So what are we doing today? Well, Rachel decided that we would do flip throughs. So I've had to complete my my filofax, I'm going to call it, and this is my December daily. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a flip through of what I've completed and done. Do you like all my lovely little decorations for you to make it look Christmassy? I've got my lights up above me and it's all beautiful. So let's get started, shall we? Now I hope you're all well, and I hope you're all getting up to date with your Christmas shopping. I'm almost there, but enough of all that. Let's take a look at what I've made. So this is the file that we made with the envelopes on the very first video. Okay, I didn't put anything on the back because I was thinking it was going to be glued in, but I don't know what I was thinking really. I don't normally make things like this, but I am for the collaboration. So here we go. What did I do? I've changed yet again from this ribbon. Don't laugh. I really wasn't enamored with it, but I couldn't find these, and then suddenly all this loveliness turned up in my stash. So I had plenty of red ribbon, and I did confess, and I did go and buy some more, but this wide one was the one I wanted. I could see in my mind that I wanted to put on here, and I found it. So beautiful red ribbon tie, and it all ties up beautifully. So she's quite chunky. I'm not sure she will survive many years, but I'm not going to worry about that. Just checking now, I'm not moving myself out of the screen. And let's go. So here she is. Let's pull it round that way, shall we? And then open it up like that. And then you've got a flap there and a flap there. All right, and I've still got all my fussy cuts in here and here, because I just kept cutting out more because I thought they looked so pretty. And there's a little one down here as well, little pocket on there. And I've got some pieces at the back there. So I've got enough here for another year, I think. And she looks absolutely gorgeous. I was really pleased with her. So there's a pocket there in there, and there's still, I put one of those in there. And I've still got some bits and bobs that I haven't used in there because she's so chunky, this December daily. I was afraid of breaking the outer envelope part. So these are still in here as well. So I've got two pockets here and those there. Room, I've got lots of room because I've still got lots of things around me, and they can all be stored in here. And if I need anything, then whilst I'm going through the December daily, I can still use them. So let's see where you are. No, you're not quite on screen. There you go. So here we go. So we've got a pocket here with a lovely tag I made. That's rather nice, isn't it? I'd forgotten I'd done that. So that's that. And don't forget, I've got to write in here. So I needed lots of blank spaces for me to be able to write or put a photograph in. So there's room on the back of there for me to write, and that goes under there. And these are what I made in the collaboration. This one I made in the collaboration. As you can see, there's a hidden pocket in there. They never go in straight, do they? But never mind, there we go. And I've been making these today. I made 3 of these because I needed some tags because I want space to write on. Not that I'm envisaging doing a lot outside of the home other than on Christmas, because I don't go far. I think you've seen these, and that was the over the page tuck that I did. The Santa there, little girl there, and I've just popped some things in here in case I needed them. They're just popped in there, and this is a flip, and there's a little pocket on here if I can get hold of it. See, that one's like that, and I've just glued that onto there, and they're quite sweet, aren't they? And I've done that today as well, and that's all glued down because I didn't want anything, you know, with this flipping like that, I didn't want anything falling out. So this one I did put, I think it was what do you call it, a ledger page over the top of that. I don't know whether it was an accident or by design, I'm not quite sure, I can't remember. But this is a cute one. Remember, I made these with the last video, which is called a snippet roll, and that went on there, and that goes in there nicely. There's another one there from the snippet roll, and these are the ones I made, I think, on the second or third. Little pockets here, and they're really cute. And there's a flip there, and I can put photographs in there if I so wish. And there's a tuck there, and that one says peace, and I put another one of the snippet roll cuttings, and that's got lots of little goodies in it as well. Okay, now keep with me because I've got the giveaway to do as well, so bear with me. That'll be coming up later. Can't get that back in there for some reason. Doesn't want to go. There we go. And there's that one there. There's one of the freebies, I believe, and I found that in my stash, so I put that on the back of there. I think that goes in there like that. And this one is an envelope. That's another snippet, goes that way, and I put a little stamp on there. I could have gone over that with one of my stamps. I may still do that. And that's full of goodies as well. So I've got lots to play with still. Do you know, there was so much in this kit, you could just go on, and I have cut out things ready to make another journal. I'll see how it goes, and I might do it in December and perhaps craft along with you in December with it, because I've got so much of the kit left. There's enough there to make, I think, another 2. I've made this one today, and I just did a little bit of stitching down the edge of there, and that goes in there like that. And we've got these little tags going in here. I probably won't get it. Oh, I did. It went in. And I've got another one the other end. Here, look. And I've got some lovely lace on there. And that page there. And this one is a tuck. Now, that's one of the... I don't know what Rachel calls these, but she does print them out like this, and you just cut around off the page, and then you can do them as a tuck if you so wish. Okay, I put some lace on there. I thought that was cute. So it's been fun making this. I've really enjoyed it. I've just glued those on there, and this is another one of those hidden, but that one actually is tied up so it doesn't fall out, so I'm not going to open it now. But I've done some lovely little bit of decorating on there, and I made this one this morning, so I've got plenty to write on now. That was what I was looking for, so I can write in that as well, and that can be a hidden secret message from Santa. Another one there from the snippets. They turned out really well. I really love those snippets. It's a postcard. That's an envelope of one of Rachel's envelopes. So there's room in there to write as well. Because with a December daily, you need plenty of space to write, don't you? So we've got some space on here. I've yet to back that one, and I think it put me off because I'd already done that. So I'll have to correct that. So there's a nice little card there, and that goes in that way. And there's over the page tuck there. That was with the doilies that Rachel gave us as freebies. I made a few of those. I made this morning, and I was really pleased how that turned out. That was really nice. Just check I'm on screen. Yes. And I don't know what happened the other day, but my camera just slipped. So I've gone back to the overhead one, and I can actually bounce on here if I wanted to, and it won't it won't bounce around either. So I've got a little bow on there and some lace trim on the bottom there. And there she is. So I've got that one in there. That's a cute one. I made a few of those, didn't I? So that's the December daily, guys. And I put that little boy on there as well because I thought he needed something. So she's quite chunky. And I thought I can't possibly put any more in there. Otherwise I'll have no December daily left. So there you go. I think you've seen everything. Isn't that beautiful? So as I say, if you haven't yet purchased the kit, go on over today because it will be full price, I think, after today. I'm not going to bother tying that up now. I'll tie it up in a minute because there's a couple of things I want to show you. So I'll put that over there. I want to show you what I've been up to. So I've been making these beautiful, what's that pin? Needle. What is pin cushion. And I've been practicing ready for the retreat that we're having in March. So if you haven't yet decided about the retreat in March, pop on over to Rachel's website and you can find out all the information regarding the retreat because it's in a new venue and the new venue looks absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. And my hubby's coming with me this time as well. So this is what I'll be making, and I've got some different sizes. I don't know what I've done with the other one now. I've got a bigger one somewhere. And it's long like that. So I put that somewhere. But I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. There's that. And I've been making these lovely pouches as well. So I haven't been idle. Okay. And I love making these pouches. They're so fun. And I've got pockets in that one as well. I've got 2 pockets in there. And I take this to my sewing class. And speaking of which, would you like a peek at what I've been making? Look at this. This has nothing to do with the collaboration, but I just wanted to show you because it's so jolly. I've yet to do a few more numbers. So let's start at the beginning with number 1. And it's an advent calendar. I can't think of the word then. I just want to check you on screen. Yes. So we've got number 1 there, look. I've stitched that. Number 2, 3, 4 buttons for number 4, 6, 7. You can just about make out the 7 there. 8, 9, 10, 11 I've got there on the side. 12 I've put there. 13 I've yet to do, and I've done a little Christmas tree there, and I've still got to finish this off. It's got to be finished by Monday. So it's 15, 16, 17, 18, yet to do 19, and I've yet to finish these off. And I've got to finish those off with numbers. I've done number 22, if you can see. I don't know whether you can see that, can you? Just about see that. So that was great fun. So there's my advent calendar. Really pleased with how it's turned out. It did stump me at the beginning because I'm not used to working on such small pieces, but I was really, really pleased and really chuffed with how this turned out, and I persevered. So that's what I've been up to whilst this collaboration has been going on, and I was dying to show you that, so I hope you didn't mind. Now, giveaway time, giveaway. First giveaway, who's the first giveaway to? So we got another one of these wonderful parcels from Rachel. She's allowing me to use them on my channel. So there are 2. So there's 2 parcels in one here. She's been very, very generous. And the first parcel goes to at Phyllis J73. There you go. There you go, Phyllis. That's yours. This is number 1. That's the first prize. So that's Phyllis J73. So I'll put that one over there. I must remember which is which. And then the second one, which way up does this go? I think it's that way. The second one is like this. Lots going on in these parcels. Rachel's been very, very generous with these because they were in her shop. and we forgot to put them in the shop when we were at the retreat in October. So she said, well, let's give them out as giveaways, Mum. So very kindly. So the winner of this one is at Oak and Robin Crafts. Can you see that? At Oak and Robin Crafts. So there you go. So that's the end of the collaboration, guys. And I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll just put these back here. And there we go. That's Phyllis and that's Oak and Robin's. Okay, so I'll think about I'm going to have a pointer now to remind myself. Not that it matters. I don't think the girls will fight over them, would they? But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed the collaboration. A big shout out to all the collaborators. Thank you all so much for supporting Rachel, because you all know she's my daughter. And, you know, I do worry about her, but it's all gone well. So thank you for that. And also a big thank you to Rachel for organising it and getting out such a wonderful collaboration. So don't forget now, pop on over and support Rachel and get the kit, and I'm going to make a journal now in December with you with that kit. So I'm just going to say bye for now and take care. Thanks for watching.